I am on my way to shuttle that will bring me to Aguas Calientes, where my hike to hydroelectric and Santa Teresa. My hike to Aguas Calientes will start. So yesterday, yeah, I found this shuttle, which basically return ticket for 60, right? So you can get it for 50 if you talk to them, but I just decided to do it, so 60 was fine for me. So 13 each direction, and yeah, I think it's a really good deal because as I've heard, these shuttles, they are much faster than the buses, and I mean, like, you don't really want to sit in 7 hours in the bus, you know. So even if it saves you 1 hour, that's great. So yeah, and you can find them basically wherever in Cusco, wherever you see tours and all that. I think just go in and ask them if they do shuttles to hydroelectrica. They will know what it means. So yeah, I don't know, I hope 5, maybe 6 hour drive, and then my hike can start. So our first stop, just a break. It's close to a city called Urubamba, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really beautiful. And the train you hear, that's, I think, the train that goes actually to Aguas Calientes, which costs $140, which I just can't afford. It will be awesome though. Second stop. I think it's something like 1.5 hours, maybe more. Views are amazing. Almost there. We have stopped in Santa Teresa to have some food for those who want, and I would guess it's something like maybe 10-minute drive to the hydroelectric station. So almost there. Oh, I'm just a bit scared because I have all my stuff, a big backpack. I think I'm the only one in a van who has that stuff, so I just hope it won't be a steep climb up, otherwise, yeah, might be a bit screwed, you know. But well, I'm gonna get there eventually. I just hope it will stop the rain, because now it's raining. So yeah, that would really suck. Right, so it's around 3 o'clock and finally arrived to hydroelectric station, which is the starting point on the hike. So you can see the rails, the train there, and all those people, like so many people actually, and just basically you need to walk on the side of the rails. That's it. It's like 10-kilometer hike, so it should take like 2-3 hours probably. I just hope it's not like steep up, otherwise I'm screwed with all these bags, you know. We will see. Feel very optimistic though.
Wrong way. Yeah. Guess have to turn back. I think I know where I'm gonna stay with. I did always try to climb it in my bags. So I will try. Right, so this is the right thing. Just met the guys, they said it's like a 3-hour hike, and this terrible path is like 3 minutes more. So, EPIA. Woo! Let's do this shit. It wouldn't be so bad. The problem is, with both my bags together is around 29 kilograms. But to be honest, at the very beginning of my journey, I already would be dead. I would be able to get, you know, so far without my bags, not even talking with the bags. But it looks like, thanks God, the nightmare has finished and it will be better route from here now. I hope so. Yeah, so not probably the smartest thing, definitely irresponsible and dangerous, but it's fun. And there's actually a proper pathway, so oh, it's kind of cool. I just hope train doesn't come. It's definitely not a good idea to walk, film, look in the camera. Woo. But I mean, come on, you live only once, all right? Whoa. You can hear the jungle talking to you, discussing their next prey. The poor backpacker who gonna collapse on the rails and be their dinner. Go crazy. So I really would like to see a train. That would be awesome, train with buses. Yes! Real feeling that you're in the jungle. If there wouldn't be this path, rail path, really. Whoa. I would say now that I actually feel tired. But I mean, I've been running almost all day. Almost there, almost there. So just checked. 1.8 kilometers left out of 10 kilometers. And I've done those 8.2 kilometers in 1 hour 40 minutes. Not bad. I would say not bad at all. With all the extra weight on my shoulders and this crappy road, Very good, very good, very good. Almost there, almost there. Almost there. So, almost done, almost done. Last few steps and I will be in Aguas Calientes, which is basically the base camp for Machu Picchu hike. Woo! And it's like 10 kilometers from hydroelectrical, and I will have done it in 2 hours or less. Not bad, not bad. Did it. 2 hours.